What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Vlog Week, which if you don't know what that means, that is 7 days of 7 videos with 7 different giveaways. It's what we do every December, and this year we have a theme of mystery boxes, and to start it off, we are going with the most expensive mystery box that I have ever purchased off of eBay, which is the sketchiest and most dangerous way to buy these mystery boxes. I've been scammed pretty bad in the past, so I'm very nervous about this. I actually purchased this when I was in Thanksgiving in Denver, Colorado. Let's cut back to that. I'll be purchasing. All right, guys, I'm currently not home. I'm actually in Denver, Colorado for family vacation, but I stumbled upon the perfect mystery box for one of the episodes of Vlog Week. So we're gonna be going for the most expensive eBay mystery box we have ever bought. The most expensive we bought before was $5,000, and I actually found a $6,000 one on eBay. Now, there's another one that's like 15K. That's too much. I think that's way too much and too risky for eBay because it's always so risky. But I found this one here. Not much of a description. You just have like the mystery box logo on the bottom here. Let's see. Description does not have much. Tons of items and profit to be made. Hype shoes, unreleased pairs, clothes, collectibles, and hats. So when I go over to the seller saying 100% positive feedback, 272. And when I look at some of their listings, they have some cool stuff like the CPFM dunks. Those are pretty sick. Those are not out yet, or they did release, I think. Yeah, I haven't got a pair of those yet. Some Yeezys, some Crocs, some whatever, some random stuff in here. Actually not a ton of heat now that I keep scrolling, but there's some, you know, white military 4s, some dunks. So I think this is gonna be it, 100% feedback. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out now, and hopefully that this will work out. Let's see, $50 shipping. We're gonna commit to buy it $6,000. This is so risky through eBay, like always so risky. Now, so I just added my card, confirm and pay $6,518. Now the tax is killer. Your order is in $6,518. I'm scared. We'll wait a week or two. Hopefully it comes in, and get ready for the rest of these videos in Vlog Week. All right, we're just going to get into it. We got 2 boxes here, and I hope that we get something good. I may pick the giveaway for this specific day of the Vlog Week out of this box if it happens. We also have other shoes to give away if we don't. Let's go ahead and just get into this. I feel like the first giveaway's got to be a banger too. Let's just see. This is the worst actual knife in existence on this channel, so this is gonna be tough. While we're at it, guys, don't miss out on any days of the vlog week. Go ahead and subscribe. We're going for 2 million subscribers on this channel. Hopefully, maybe the first sneaker YouTube channel with 2 million subscribers. That would be amazing. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, we got some advertising in here and a bunch of bubble wrap, so I'm not gonna show none of this right now. Oh, it looks like it has a sheet of all the shoes that are in there with the prices. I'm not gonna show that right now. You guys know all these mystery box. I don't put my name or anything on there, but I guess if you could assume, like if somebody's buying a $6,000 sneaker mystery box, it's probably gonna be me. So I get it. Let's go ahead and just get into this. Let's open this up and see what we got. First off, some bubble wrap Supreme items. So this looks like a Supreme Sig water bottle. That's pretty dope. Check that out right there. Supreme Sig. The price on this, I am not sure. I'm gonna have a tally up on the screen because it's too hard to keep track in person. But this is a nice little water bottle. I didn't go for these, but I believe this is from this year. If I had to guess, I think this is from this past season. So that's pretty cool. And we've got some accessories starting off. And let's keep going. More Supreme, more goodies. None of this boxes say like box 1 or box 2. Oh, we got some Supreme Ziploc bags. I feel like we should just open this up while we're at it. This is cool to get some accessories because I haven't had accessories like that in a while. Supreme does the most random stuff, and this is a Supreme Ziploc bag. It's pretty random, but I guess I'll put my lunch in here for a few days. Or I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. What do you even do with this? Do you use it or you keep it?
Put goldfish for a snack. Goldfish,
I guess. So that's cool. Next item, here we go. Yes, this is, okay, so we got some shoes after that, but we got some accessories here. This looks like a, what is this? This is a Nike shirt. Maybe this is a Travis Scott fragment. Yep, Cactus Jack Corporation shirt right there. $50 retail, Service Center, Houston, Texas. If I had to guess, this is probably going for like 60 bucks. It's a pretty clean shirt. I don't like the way that it looks like it fits, but it's pretty, this is actually a better design. It's a thicker, it's a Nike quality shirt, not the Gildan that Cactus Jack puts out usually. And next we have a Friends Never Die V-Lone Juice WRLD shirt, or Legends Never Die. Yeah, Legends Never Die. This is the Juice WRLD shirt. Remember when these came out, I got a couple of these. Check that out. I think these are like 60 bucks, size small. So I've got a shirt there. If I had to guess the value so far, I'm saying 400 bucks, and you guys will know by checking on the screen. And then another Cactus Jack shirt that was $60 retail, and it's probably a long sleeve if I had to guess. Now for these mystery boxes, you guys know I can't keep all this stuff. So many shoes, so many accessories. So every time a video drops, so check harrisonnevel.com. There will be a lot of this stuff for sale, and it is below any prices that you'll find online. I usually like to do it just to kind of move it quickly. It's actually a pretty clean shirt, size large, Cactus Jack. I like that.
I actually just bought that long sleeve. I think I paid about 100 for it.
100 for it, so 100 bucks. Nick just bought it. So that means it's a good shirt. Nick's buying it. There we go. That's 3 shirts, some Supreme accessories, and we're gonna keep moving. I think we got, all right, there's no more accessories, I believe. I'm wrong. We got, I knew this was coming out, but like, I don't know. I never thought I would get them. This is Supreme mac and cheese. Supreme mac and cheese. I guess you could spell out Supreme with it. This is gonna be one that, like, I guarantee somebody's made a video boiling it and putting it out, like spelling it out, but that is so weird. 10 bucks, I would assume the price of that. That's so funny. We got some Supreme Band-Aids. We've had these before. These are only like a couple bucks, 15 bucks maybe, 10 bucks. Supreme Band-Aids. Again, the random accessories, and I'm glad we're getting to see them here. Switch it up from just shoes. Another Supreme Band-Aid right there. Probably 10 to 15 bucks a pop if I had to guess. And if you want to display them, you get 2 of them. Any more accessories? Yes, one little one here. Little itty bitty tape measure. Supreme tape measure. I like the variation because we've been getting so many sneakers lately, so we're getting some Supreme accessories, which is fun. Let's keep going. I thought maybe this would be like an accessories only box, but we have some good stuff here.
Well, it's cool because a lot of this stuff you haven't seen in person yet.
Yeah, I don't really go for the Supreme drops anymore like we used to back in the day, so that's what makes it a little interesting. Let's go. Next up, we have some Bape. Reebok Bapes. Big small size 5.5. The Club C85. Huh. These, oh, okay. They had these priced at $250. Check those out. The Bape Club. These are interesting shoe. I never saw these. When these Reebok silhouette came out, everybody said that they were the same as the Easy Power Phase because it's like the same thing, but check that out. Maybe it wasn't this silhouette, but similar. I literally already don't have room. Oh, I missed an accessory. Is this Supreme Airheads? Oh, this is just from the store. They get some candy. Maybe they get some candy with their orders. I was like, Supreme Airheads would be cool. I'm gonna pull all these boxes out. We have a Dunk box. We have a green box, which I don't know what that is. And then we have, and that's box 1. So let's pull these out. I got some Adidas. Size 11. Okay. I said Adidas, New Balance. I don't know why I was tripping New Balance. These are actually pretty cool. These are the Joe Fresh Goods. They have a couple different Joe Fresh Goods. This is the pink pair. And New Balances has gotten really popular. Like, a lot of people are loving these again. Obviously, they've always been popular, the dad style shoe. These were at $350 they had them at. And this is a pretty cool colorway, actually. I don't mind it, all right? So next box is Nike Oregon Ducks Limited. I don't remember these. Do you, Nick?
I don't remember ever seeing that box, no.
I don't either. Size 12 Blazer Mid 77. Oh, I've never seen these. These are a Oregon Duck, like straight up. Obviously there's the Oregon Duck PE Jordans that come out. This is interesting. It's an interesting material too. I've never seen those before. I would have no idea what these go for. If I had to like guess, it'd be like 100 bucks. I think these would go around retail, but maybe they're not. So we got one last shoe for the first box, which is a smaller box, which is a Dunk. Over under, Nick, on it being a Panda.
I think it's a Panda.
You think it's a Panda? We have, oh no, dang, what are these? Sample. So it says sample there on the tag. What are these? Dimension 6. I've never seen those before. Have you?
No, I've never seen these. The Nike logo on the tongue is actually sick.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I've never seen these before. Nike and the Mighty Swooshers is what it says on there. Is this for like a Mighty Ducks thing? I've never seen those. And the swoosh is like, got that material to where it like shows different things as you move it. That's interesting. I've never seen these before. And if it's a sample, I would assume the value might be a little bit more, but I don't even know how I'm gonna put a price on that. But these are a size, yeah, it's got a sample tag. Size 9. Never seen those. We gotta make room again. We gotta make room. It is day 1 of giveaways, and first thing up, we have the Michigan colorway. Michigan just beat Ohio State, so you guys, you might want these. This is a size 10 Michigan Nike Off-White Dunk. So if you want to enter for these, very simple giveaways for this whole week of giveaways. First giveaway up for the week is going to be a Nike Dunk Off-White. This is the Michigan colorway. Michigan just beat Ohio State. If you're a Michigan fan, this is the pair to have right now. This is a size 10, brand new dead stock. All the rules for this giveaway are super simple. You have to, 1, subscribe to his YouTube channel. Number 2, go ahead and follow me, Harrison Nevel, over on Instagram. Number 3, leave a comment on this video specifically using your Instagram username down below. And what was your favorite shoe that you saw in this video? And you'll be entered, and we'll be picking all the winners on the same day on December 24th, Christmas Eve this year. All the winners at once. So go ahead and enter that giveaway down below. There's another one coming tomorrow and another one the day after that, and more to come. So go ahead and enter that giveaway for this free pair right there. All right, now the stress kicks in. We're 1 box deep, and if if I was thinking about it, probably like $1,200 to $1,500 of value. So that's $4,500 left. This is where the stress kicks in. These eBay boxes, guys, I know I've spent a lot of money on mystery boxes, but these to me are like the most risky, because it's not like from a company. It's all risk from eBay. No matter how many of these I do, even if it's $100, I'm like, I just wasted $100 if I don't get a good value out of it. So let's keep going. They got the branding again. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to show anything until we see what's in the box. See, because we spent a lot on this. All right, we got something blue. Is this gonna be the Kanye Yeezy Gap puffer? This is such a weird looking thing. I don't know what prices went with these, because he's been in some controversy lately. Oh my gosh. This is freaking Blueberry Boy. How do I look?
At least it fits.
How does it look?
I don't like that jacket at all, bro.
You don't like it at all? I feel like I look like a blueberry, straight up. How?
Oh, no. That ain't it for you, bro.
That's not it?
That ain't it for you, bro.
All right, well, I'm gonna say no on these. These for a minute, I think they kept restocking. I think these are like $300 for a minute. If I had to guess, $300-400. Yeezy Gap. This is a size small too, and that fits. That is a massive shoebox. Holy, look at this. It's a wooden box. I have no clue what that. Nick, you know what this box is.
Oh, I know exactly what that box is.
Nick, you know what this box is. This is a Concept.
And that's not even the special box.
This is not the special box. This is a Concepts Nike SB. Nick has these. This is one of his personals. These are brand new dead stock.
Wow.
Check that out. These are a size 8. Nice.
Ooh. That is called the Holy Grail.
And it comes with a shirt too.
Dang,
Concepts Nike SBT.
I didn't get the shirt.
Nick didn't get the small. You ain't legit like that. How much are these going for? Like, what is new? Like,
brand new? Those are around, honestly, I want to say around 1,000.
Around 1,000 new. These could be you.
Those look way newer than mine did, honestly.
They look, I mean, maybe it's just little marks on it from.
I don't remember the bottoms looking like that pink, but I'm not sure.
There's some yellowing there a little bit.
Yeah, they're a decently older shoe.
Yeah, but there's not much creasing or anything, and I feel like you would see a lot of the dirtiness if they're worn. They might be new, because dead stock, the price on these is way different than a used price. It's like $100, a couple $100 swing. So those are a cool pair, pretty unique, and I knew them because obviously Nick has them. Ooh, we got something big on the bottom. Ooh, that's kind of cool actually. Okay. Let's see, this is a Puma. Not many hype Pumas. They come out with a lot of them. Puma sends me a lot of cool shoes, but maybe this is a decoy. Might be a decoy. Is it? Oh!
Yo.
It is a decoy. Ooh! Jeez! These are the CPFM dunks. Well, they're not really a dunk, but dang!
You're gonna have to size swap those, bro.
These look kind of small. I know, I've wanted these for a long time. They threw it off with the box. These got to be like a size 10, size 9, dang. These run really small, so you have to go like a full size up. Be kind, I'm sensitive. Nike CPFM Flea 1 will improve with extended wear. Those are sick. I really like these. These got to be freaking half the value of the box. You guys know the new ones just dropped. This one been out for a while, the Flea 1 in a size 9, brand new. Buy now for $1,500, last sale $1,500, sell now for $1,080. So that's a good value. That's like maybe a quarter of the value. We'll see. There's a list that they gave me that we'll see what their value they have it at, but these are sweet. If they're my size, I'd wear these. It might be the new dailies. Unfortunately, they're not, and no box with them either. But these are such an interesting shoe. There's only 2 items left. There's only 2 items. All right, let's pull this one out. What in the world is this? Oh, So this is a Mischief box. Now, I did some stuff with Mischief back in the day. They never paid me for anything, but they sent out some packages to unbox. They do some very, very obscure things, and now they're doing stuff so big that like Jimmy Fallon is wearing some of the shoes. This is a Mischief Super Normal. I don't know which ones these could be. I'm assuming they're a shoe. They've got like the Gobstopper one that came out, wore away. They've had some weird stuff. Oh, I don't want these if these are the Lil Nas X ones. I don't want the bad vibes, you know what I'm saying? Because those like had some demonic vibes. I don't want those. I don't think that's these. I have no clue what these are. I'm scared. I'm very scared. Whoa! I don't remember these. 212. There are demonic vibes of 266. I guess there's only 266 pairs made. And these are like wavy shoes. These are actually kind of clean. This colorway is pretty clean. I've known about a lot of their drops. I didn't know about these. So only 666 made, size 9. Mischief 005 Super Normal 2. Are these like on sneaker app? Super Normal 2 in a size 9, $250, retail $185, but there's only 600 of these made. Mischief is weird, man. They come out with some weird shoes, and they're getting good. They're good with all the like getting press and stuff. But there's some weird shoes, I'm gonna be honest. There's that, and then there's one thing left that's big in here. And I'm pretty excited about this. We got a Cause doll, our Cause figure, but this is a big one. This is the Cause family. Holy, the open edition. Let's pull this up. We haven't had a Cause figure in a minute. Let's see. Ooh, this is a massive one. So I have the bigger version of this already. This comes with 4 separate dolls. You have this pink one here, which is pretty sick. You have the, this is gonna be like the 100%, I don't know if they call it that, with holding the pink one, and then you get the full size of this one here. This has gotta be like 1,500 bucks itself right there. Check that out. Cause figures are interesting to me. Like, I like them and I have a bunch, but they just kind of sit there. It's like a cool piece to have in the background, but other than that, it's kind of like it's an art piece, obviously. Cause family figures, 800 bucks last sale. I may be off of my values. All right, so they have it broken down with everything. There's an invoice here. The Nike Dump Low sample right here, they had these at 160 bucks. That makes sense. The Joe Fresh Goods, they had these at 250. The Oregon PE Blazer, 500 bucks. Wow. It says this is a PE. That's where the value was. I didn't know this is a PE. I thought it was just a regular Dunk release, but that's pretty cool. Player exclusive Blazer. Next up, the Juice WRLD V-Lone tee, 80 bucks. Travis Scott tees are 60 and 90. Supreme bottle, 65. The Penco, 40 bucks. Band-Aid, 2 of those, 20 bucks each. Supreme Mac and Cheese, 15. Ziploc, 20. Reebok, the Bape Reeboks, 180. The Cause family, 850. It's about right. The Mischiefs at 300. The CPFMs, they had at 1850. The Concepts, they had them at 1200. And then the Yeezy Gap round jacket was 300 for a total of 6,000. That's what they had it at. So let's see. Like I said, the Concepts, they must be brand new because size 8 brand new, last sale. They had, last sale on these was 500, buy for 1,050. So that one seems a little bit aggressive, double the price. For me, obviously you can't buy them for under 1,200 currently, but buy a used pair on GOAT right now with no box for 280 bucks. It's close. But this is the thing with eBay mystery boxes, what I always say. There's a fine line between what you think is value and what that person's selling is, and it's like, you got it, there's a fine line of like, this is this value, this is this value. I don't think this is terrible. I think there's some good stuff in here, especially these. Now, if everything was my size, I would probably not even be mad at all, but getting size swaps and stuff is tough, but we're gonna go for it, obviously. Let me know what you guys think of this first box down below. Again, we have 6 more videos coming after this. Let me give you a bit of a preview. Nick's buying his first ever mystery box by himself with his own money. We have $15,000 designer mystery box. We even have a $150,000 mystery box. How you feeling?
I'm still a little nervous, but I feel a little bit better about it, not gonna lie. It's a shoe box, and I think it's a Jordan 1.
There's a box that's right there, but I don't know how it's in here for the value. Bro, no shot. This is this much money. We'll see where we go with this, but this is super exciting this week. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay up to date on the videos, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Harrison and Nick, signing out.